Good morning from Pico Serpente! Today we have the classic one-shot special, and here with me there is the fabulous Stinky!
Hello to all the brave defenders of engines! With great pleasure, we host the most family-friendly event of the year. Here at Top Driver, ready for presentation, there are 4 beautiful station wagons. We are going to introduce the competitors. Untitled Chapter, the driver of his Datsun Kanji, arrives from Japan from the origami team.
The second driver runs for the Art Studio team, a great team with a great driver, the nomadic pilot Pellegrino, on aboard the Volvo 850 Canario. Wonderful!
Audi Forza Motorsport of the RX Force team, Roberto Creepy X brought the driver Emily Cartucci here to Pico Serpente with his car Evangeline.
And now a welcome return! Maria Felice returns here to Top Driver with her car, without a super team, only with her experience. We warmly welcome Flower Power!
Let's break the weight and go to the starting grid. After the look at the track and at the point summary sheet, we find in front on the left Kanji and at his side Flower Power.
Behind them are Canario and Evangeline. Engine Clanch and Launch!
The Japanese start as a bullet, but Untitled ends up almost in the crowd.
Maria Felice takes advantage and followed by Evangeline.
Flower Power arrives at the finish line and goes to take 5 points.
Woohoo!
Closely followed by Emily Cartucci and O Pellegrino.
DNF instead for Kanji, who risked a serious injury to him and to the crowd.
But the show must go on. The drivers are ready for race 2 and focus on the target.
From this time there is a Pellegrino on the left and Kanji on the right, while behind we have Evangeline and Flower Power respectively.
Without hesitation, action, engine, rocket ship!
Canario detached the group, but the Audi does not give up.
After the chicane, Kanji attacks in the nose and shortens the distance. Wow!
Super drift on the straight, conserving control of the pilots.
Oh, Pellegrino gets really high and they overwhelm it. I get to the photo finish.
Crazy! Impressive! Let's review the replay! Canario loses the control! Maria Felice touches the rear of Kanji! He overtakes the Volvo and goes to steal the first position in an expected way!
Incredibile, Max! Pure madness! The Japanese Untitled never stopped believing it! Let's also review his overtaking at full throttle against Evangeline, who, astonished, lets Flower Power pass.
At the moment, Flower Power is always in the lead with 7 points, while Kanji and Canario at 5. Evangeline closed the group of 4 with 4 points. She still hopes in the recovery.
Halfway point, in the middle of the day of racing, we are ready for the third hit. Will it be the definitive one? In front on the left is Emily Cartucci of the RX Force team, and behind her, Maria Felice, who is competing in an excellent race.
On the right instead, in front of Pellegrino and behind Kanji, ready to fly, Space Launch!
Our friends at Audi disconnects everyone and there is no one for anyone. Brawl in the tail group.
Jiu-Jitsu and Killing Maga in the rear, but the Volvo passes.
They are all space and and arriving order, Evangeline, Canario, Kenji, and Flower Power.
Woo! Emily Cartucci also allows herself a spin, and with a gesture of a noise, she looks at each other in the face as if to say that I'm here too.
Impressive fortitude for the young driver who reopens the game. Maria Felice is dethroned, and now she has 8 points and is paired with O Pellegrino, also at 8. Kenji 7 points, and Evangeline leads the group with 9 total points. Final round!
It will be an explosive ending. The driver who wins this round will certainly be the champion.
Who will be the family wagon champion? Bet hard! In front on the left we have Flower Power by Maria Felice, and behind Kenji by Ando Tenevai.
On the right, Evangeline starts in the front and Canario immediately behind. The traffic light on. Countdown! 3, 2, 1, go!
Good start by Flower Power, jumps off the track.
Kenji slow down and is overtaken by Angeline.
Emily Cartucci seems incredible, escapes from the group.
She speeds by flipping against the guardrail, and Kenji and Canario follow at full speed.
Spectacular ending! With this last heat, we update the ranking, and with 14 total points, Emily Cartucci with Evangeline for the RX Sports team wins the one-shot family mega.
Crazy race! Honor to all the participants and also to you who have followed us so far. If you like the video, put a like, subscribe and activate the notifications. Also follow us on social networks. In the description there are all the useful links.
See you next week with the most anticipated event, Street Night Racers. Don't miss it.
For today, it's all from Pico Serpente, from Max and Stinky. Good night and good fight!
A big ciao to all of you from Top Driver, wearing jeans, never sleep.